See the next problem on Picard series method. See the statement. Solve y dash is equal to y minus x square with the condition y of 0 is equal to 1 using Picard series method up to the third approximation. Here we have to find out the solution by using Picard series method up to the third approximation. Don't stop the problem with the second approximation. After finding the solution, we have to find out the values of y at 0.1 and y at 0.2. This is the statement of the given problem C. So first of all, write the given initial value problem. So given initial value problem is y dash is equal to, y dash is nothing but dy by dx, y minus x square, y dash is equal to y minus x square, and y of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so here write the notations. The right hand side function is represented by f of x comma y in Picard series method, which is equal to y minus x square. Please highlight this representation with your box. And inside value is x0. X0 value is 0 here. And what about y0 value? 1. Okay, by comparing the given initial value problem with the standard form of a initial value problem, you will get these notations. Okay, now we know that the algorithm in the Picard series method, in Picard's series method is yn of x is equal to, first term is y0 plus integral x0 to x into f of x comma yn minus 1 into dx. Okay, take it equation number capital A. So by replacing n is equal to 1, you will get first approximation for the required solution. So take side A, first approximation. So put n is equal to 1 in above algorithm. So you will get y1 of x is equal to y0 plus integral x0 to x f of x comma y suffix 1 minus 1. Whenever we have n, we are replacing by 1. That's why y1 minus 1, which is y0 into dx. Okay, what is y0? 1. 1 plus integral. What is x0? 0. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is always x in this algorithm. And what is the expression of f of x comma y0? In this function, whenever we have y, replace it by y0 and x by x only. So y0 minus x square whole into dx. Okay, see, 1 plus integral 0 to x, I will write here, see, 1 plus integral 0 to x, what is y0? Which is 1. So 1 minus x square into dx. Take the integration. So 1 plus, what is the integration 1 with respect to x? It is x. And we know that integration of x square is x cube by 3. Within the limits 0 to x. That is equal to 1 plus, by applying upper limit you will get similar terms. X minus x cube by 3. By replacing lower limit x by 0, you will get all terms are 0. So what is y1? Y1 is nothing but 1 plus x minus x cube by 3. Okay, so now we have to find out the second approximation for the required solution. For this, replace n is equal to 2 in Picard series algorithm, which is this one. Okay, so you will get, by replacing n is equal to, in the left hand side you will get y2 of x is equal to, in the right hand side first term is always y0 plus integral lower limit is always x0 and upper limit is always x, and f of x comma y suffix 2 minus 1, which is y1 into dx. What is y0? 1. Integral x0 is 0. 0 to x. What is f of x comma y1? It is important here to write the expression of f of x comma y1 from the given function f of x comma y. So whenever we have y, replace it by y1, and whenever we have x, just replace it by x only. Okay, x by x only. So you will get y1 minus x square whole into dx. See, so 1 plus integral 0 to x, but what is y1? From the first approximation we got y1 as 1 plus x minus x cube by 3. Replace this y1 value here. So you will get 1 plus x minus x cube by 3 minus x square whole into dx. Now what about the integration of this one? 1 plus integration 1 dx is x. Integration x is x square by 2. Okay. And integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4, but already 3 is there in the denominator. So x power 4 by 12 minus, what is the integration of x square? X cube by 3. So within the limits 0 to x. Within the limits 0 to x. By replacing upper limit x by x, again you will get similar expansion. By replacing x by 0, which is lower limit, you will get all terms are zeros. So you will get y2 of x as 1 plus x square by 2, write in order, it is x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 12. This is y2. Now we have to find out another approximation also, which is y3. See, take heading third approximation. For third approximation we should replace n value as 3 in the Picard series algorithm. So you will get from the equation number capital A, y3 of x is equal to y0 is the first term plus integral x0 to x f of x comma y suffix 3 minus 1, which is 2 into dx. So y0 is 1, x0 is provided as 0 in the statement, upper limit is x, and what is the expression of f of x comma y2? It is y2 minus x square whole into dx. That is equal to 1 plus integral 0 to x. What is y2? Just we got in the previous approximation, which is 1 plus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 12 minus x square whole into dx. Okay, this is the y2 value, and here we have negative x square. That's why I am writing here minus x square. So simplify these two terms. Okay, x square by 2 minus x square can be written as 1 plus integral 0 to x 1 plus x. These both are same. X square by 2 minus x square can be written as negative x square by 2. Next term is negative x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 12 whole into dx. It is enough to find out the derivative integrations of these all terms. Okay, so 1 plus integration of 1 dx is x. Integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2 minus integration of x square by 2 is x cube by 6 minus x power 4 by 4, but already 3 is there, that's why it would be 12 minus x power 5 by 5, but already 12 is there in the denominator, so 5 12s are 60. This is the y3 of x. Okay, since in the statement mentioned that we have to find out the solution up to third approximation, so it is not necessary to find out the fourth approximation and fifth approximations and all higher approximations. It is not necessary to evaluate here. Already these the higher approximations are have very difficult integrations. That's why you can stop the problem with this approximation. So we can take y3 of x as required solution of given initial value problem. Okay, so you can take y of x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 plus minus x cube by 6 minus x power 4 by 12 minus x power 5 by 60 and so on. Okay, don't forget one thing, in Taylor series method and Picard series method, we can get the solution in terms of x as a series form. Okay, so that's why don't forget to write +1. Okay, now we have to obtain y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. See, for y of 0.1 we should replace x is equal to 0.1 in this solution. So you will get y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square by 2 minus 0.1 by 0.1 whole power 3 by 6 minus 0.1 whole power 4 by 12. Okay, minus, you can neglect this term because this term is almost 0. Otherwise you can do in our scientific calculators also, you can get the similar value. Okay, you can neglect the fifth term, no problem. Whole power 5 by 60. Okay, by using scientific calculator you may get the answer as 1.1048. You can check this one. Okay, for y of 0.2 replace x is equal to 0.2. So you will get y of 0.2 is equal to 1 plus, whenever we have x, replace it by 0.2. Okay, plus 0.2 whole square by 2 minus 0.2 whole cube by 6 minus 0.2 whole power 4 by 12. It is not necessary to write this term in here because 0.2 whole power 5 by 60 is almost 0. It may be does not disturb the answer. Okay, see, the answer may be 1.2185. You can check it. In next video I will give another example on Picard series method. Thank you very much.